guys, welcome back to my channel, Aesthetics with me. So today I'm going to be doing an intro tutorial because as you guys know, I recently made a new intro and many of you guys wanted to see how I made it. So basically, yeah, I'm just going to be doing a tutorial. And before I get started, I just want to say thank you so much for over 16,000 subscribers. And, excuse me, sorry, my voice just cracked. And also that the fan page, like making 2 fan pages and seeing how much it grows, will be out by Thursday this week, I believe. Yeah, about Thursday. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go onto YouTube. And you want to search up, if you're going to use this for like a YouTube, or like a YouTube channel, then you're going to search up aesthetic, copyright free music, so you don't get copyrighted. And you can just screen record some, or like save some, but like, yeah. But I'm too lazy to screen, but I don't know how to explain this, but like in order to screen record a song, I would have to end this screen recording and screen record that, then start screen recording again. And yeah, it's just a lot. So I'm not going to be adding a song right now. So then you want to go into Fonto, press the little camera button, play in images, select the white or the black, whatever you want to do. I suggest white, sorry. And at the top where there's like these dimensions or numbers, you're going to click that, then click custom. And the width is going to be 1,280, so 1280. And the height is going to be 720. Done. Then you're going to click color, and you can just choose any color. I kind of like this sage type of color. Then at the top right corner, you're going to click the little arrow, then use. Then you're going to write your channel name, which mine is Aesthetics with Me. And the font is Keep on Truckin', or Trucking, or whatever. And then you're just going to put it in the middle. And I just added a stroke. You don't have to add a stroke. And the font doesn't have to be... Wait, hold up. The font doesn't have to be Keep on Truckin'. It's just what I like. Okay, yeah, this is how I did it. Okay. Then you just save image. Okay, and you watch the little tiny ad. Okay, then you're gonna change the text to subscribe or whatever you want to write. Subscribe. You can write like or I hope you enjoy the video or something like that. Then you're gonna go on to the font garlic salt, and you're gonna click on this little keyboard thing, and then you're gonna find this little square-ish type of thing, or I mean, it's not a square, it's a rectangle. Yeah, I forgot my shapes. And then you're gonna go into style and make it red, because that's what color the subscribe button is. Wowzers. See, it's awesome. There we go. Then you're just gonna save that as well. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into Video Star, and this, like what I'm going to be showing you, is completely free, trust me. So you're going to click the plus button, then you're going to click this last one, looks like this, then select song, and you're just going to go into videos at the bottom, and then just select your screen recording. So pretend that was my screen recording. Then I'm going to go into import photo, get your little picture, then import at the top right corner. Then you're going to add import photo, recent, blah, blah, blah. And you're going to add your ooh, the background is cool too. Sorry. Then you're going to add your subscribe button or photo as well. And then import. So we got both of them. Then you're going to click on edit. Then merge scenes. Set start, set end, merge clips, save. So it's all I'm going to show you guys how to add the little... Go away. Like these little wavy thingy-majiggies. You know? Very cool. So you're going to go into new. Then you're going to go into re-effect. Then you're going to click this. Oops. So, there's a plus button here. I covered it with my thumb. Sorry. And then you're going to click this little search bar, and you're gonna search, my voice is cracking, wave, and you're gonna click this last one, and you're just gonna turn this arrow down, and then you're gonna click on this arrow, and left or right, and you can select, ooh, why is that so fast? And you can select how fast you want it to go. Then you're just gonna click quick effects or whatever.
I feel like on Gucci Mane in 2006.
And you click the X button and you just send a camera roll. Then you're gonna go into iMovie, and as you can see, I already made 2 intros, one for my friend, one for me. And you're gonna click the plus button, then movie, select your, video, so you select your video, I was gonna say photo, and then you click the plus button, plus button, okay, and then you click the plus button over here. Oh, and I forgot to say, this is only for iPhone, and I don't have an Android, so I don't really know how to do it on Android. So you're going to click the plus button, videos, recently added, and you're going to click the star one. This is an overlay, and the link to this will be in the description box below. So you're going to click it. Then instead of clicking add, you're going to click these 3 lines, and then you're going to click green/blue screen. So it's going to like green/blue screen. It's going to
I feel like on Gucci Mane in 2000.
Done. Save video. And that's it. Let me just delete the previous intros. Okay, and here you go. There you go. And you have an intro. It's very nice and simple, but it's very cute. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. So I hope you guys had fun. Bye.